Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your home. I am your English teacher. My name is Miss Sukhdeep Kaur. Now we have done our pre-mid. Now we are going to start mid-term. You all have done very well in pre-mid. I hope now again you will do better. So today I am going to teach chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is At the Zoo. At the zoo. Have you ever heard this word zoo? Now please tell me, who lives in the zoo? Do you know who lives in the zoo? No. Now I am going to tell you that who lives in the zoo. Wow, what can you see in the picture? Animals. And one word is written here on the top, zoo. Now tell me, who lives in the zoo? Yes, animals. Now you can see so many animals in the picture. So these all animals live in the zoo, like tiger, giraffe, zebra, elephant, lion, monkey. All these animals live in the zoo. Now here is one activity before the chapter. First you will look at these animals, identify the animals. Then what will you do? Then you will match the tails with the animals. Now on the first number, baby crocodile. On the second number, baby elephant. Then cub. Lion's baby called cub. Then monkey. Then snake. First you will identify the animals. After that you will match the tails with the animals. Understand? Now I am going to teach you about At the Zoo. Do you want to listen a story? Good. Now what can you see in the picture? Father, Manu's father, Manu, Meeta and Spot. And what they have? Balls. It means they all are playing with the balls. It is Sunday. Manu and his dog Spot are playing. Father comes and says, "We are going to the zoo today." Manu says, "Yippee!" Spot says, "Woof, woof." Little Meeta is happy too. Now they all are very excited to go to the zoo. Manu takes his bat and ball. He wants to play there also. So that's why he takes his bat and ball too. Who is this? Dog. And it is called Spot. Spot takes his rubber bone too. He is very excited to go to the zoo. He also wants to visit to the zoo. And he has also taken his rubber bone. The next is, now tell me, who is she? Yes, Manu's sister Meeta. Little Meeta takes her doll too. They can't wait to get into the car. But where are Mama and Daddy? Mama and Daddy means parents. Father and mother are called parents. Now they all are looking for the parents. That where are Mama and Daddy? Do you know that where are they? Wow, you can see here, what are they doing? They are father and mother and they are packing the food for their children. What are they packing? Healthy food, not junk food. Fruits, milk, butter, vegetables. They are carrying only healthy food for their children because they know when they will go there, their children will feel hungry. So for them they are carrying food. Now they are packing food, so that's why they are busy. And they are also happy to go to the zoo. Now they get into the car. Vroom. The car takes them to the zoo. Now you can see in the picture, they all have reached into the zoo. Sorry, they all have reached at the zoo, not into at the zoo. They all have reached at the zoo. They all are in car. So they all are very happy to see that how is the zoo and what types of animals are living in the zoo. So today they want to know about the zoo and the animals. Now the first they see, which animal is this? Very good, monkey. And what is monkey doing? The monkey is sitting on the tree. And the monkey has a long tail. They love to swing on the tree and they love to eat mangoes, bananas. Now this is a picture of zoo. Animals and birds live in the zoo. At the zoo, the tiger is sleeping. Like this. The birds chirp. Tweet, tweet, chee. The lion roared. The lion cub tries to roar. The snake goes hiss. The monkey waves his long tail. The crocodile shakes his tail too. The elephant lifts his long nose. What fun they all have! After that, they click photographs of the animals and they finish their lunch and they go back to their home with their parents. They all were very happy because today they visited to the zoo. It is a story about animals. I hope you all have understood the story very well. You have learned the name of animals, those who live in the forest. After that, you will learn the name of their babies also. Animals baby. Now I am going to send you a worksheet. Please do the worksheet very carefully. Then send it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.